We will guide you through how to change color in Photoshop with color code. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and open the image or project you want to edit. Once the image is ready, select either the Object Selection tool or the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar, depending on how easily the object can be separated from its surroundings. Use the selected tool to select the object in the image. Then check the selection carefully and make sure the entire object is included without accidentally selecting unwanted areas. After the selection is complete, open the Layers panel so you can create a new adjustment without directly changing the original image. Click the New Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, then select Solid Color from the available options. Wait for the Color Picker window to open, where you can choose the exact color you want to apply to the selected object. Locate the hexadecimal color code field in the color picker, then enter the new color code you want to use, such as a specific 6-character code that matches your design or reference color. Once the correct color code has been entered, click OK to apply the new color and create the solid color adjustment layer. Next, change the solid color layer blend mode to color so the new color is applied while the original shading, highlights, and darker areas of the object remain visible, helping the result look more natural. Check the image carefully to make sure the new color appears only on the selected object and does not affect the background or other parts of the image. If you notice any unwanted areas being colored, review the selection or layer mask and correct them before finishing. Once the color looks right and the object still has natural-looking shading, save or export the final image in your preferred format and location.